Во, левее, левее!
Ukrainian forces managed to make an epic destruction of a Russian ammunition depot by an FPV drone operated by Special Operations Forces in the Zaporizhzhia direction. Destroying enemy ammunition depots is crucial in warfare. Ammunition is the lifeblood of an army. Without it, soldiers can't fight effectively. Targeting these depots weakens the enemy's firepower, disrupts supply lines, and forces them to ration resources. It also lowers morale, as troops may hesitate to engage without reliable supplies. Strategically, hitting these stockpiles can shift the momentum of a battle or even an entire war. Astra reports that Ukrainian drones struck the Astrakhan gas processing plant overnight, injuring a worker. Around 10 drones were shot down, with unknown damage. The plant was previously attacked on February 3rd, 2025. In the settlement of Krasnaya Yaruga, Belgorod region, Ukrainian UAVs attacked a substation. A strong fire is reported at the site. Russians trying to down Ukrainian drones. They desperately fire into the sky. But the only thing that works better is Russian cursing.
Где ж ты, сука, пидор, ездил? Во, левее, левее! Ля, сука, идет, а? Назад, пошел! Ну, чмошник ебаный, блядь. Бля, уебывай! Уезжай нахуй отсюда, блядь! Уебывай, быстро нахуй! На нас, назад, я! Сюда, сука, прет, блядь! Ты глянь, падла такая, сука! Быстри! Уёбывай, блядь! Братан, давай, жми, блядь! Ой, блядь, а! Я пустой! Блядь, так есть еще? Пацаны, пошел опять на нас! Выкидывай с брони сюда, нахуй! Кружит, ищет, блядь, ищет! Не спеши!
Сука, за Толяном пошел.
Пошел туда, видно, пацаны поехали туда, и он, глянь. Серега, уйди куда-нибудь! В контейнер зайди, контейнер прикрой! Ну ушел туда, на клей этот.
За КамАЗом.
Ты видел, сука, крутил, блядь.
Пытался.
The Phoenix Regiment of Unmanned Systems destroyed a Russian T-72 tank and MTLB in Kharkiv region. Russians had hidden their equipment in forest belts preparing for an offensive. However, it was detected and destroyed. Ukrainian drones are playing a key role in destroying Russian armor with precision strikes. Using FPV and long-range drones, they target tanks, armored vehicles, and supply convoys, often bypassing traditional defenses. These drones exploit weak spots, such as engine compartments and turrets, causing massive damage. Their effectiveness comes from real-time coordination, night operations, and swarm tactics. Russian drone attacked children who were playing outside in Kherson.
Друзьями брали на вулиці і летів дрон, Ми почали всі тікати, подруга забіжала до себе домой, а мій друг побіжав прямо, і ми з другом побіжали теж прямо. Но він забіжав за забор, і дрон почав скорачувати. Я підбіжав до калітки, потім відбіжав від неї, і він бомбу скинув. І на мене осколки всі полетіли.
The UK is ready to keep its military presence in Ukraine indefinitely, according to the Times, citing a government official. British forces will remain as long as needed to uphold peace agreements and deter Russia. Hungary to block new EU military aid to Ukraine, Foreign Minister Szijjártó said. Szijjártó stated that Hungary will not allow taxpayer money to fund weapons shipments to Ukraine, and instead advocates for peace negotiations. A €20 billion aid package is being discussed at today's EU foreign ministers meeting. The Russian military has demonstrated a modernized T-72B3 tank with the Arena M active protection system capable of intercepting anti-tank missiles. Russian propaganda telegram channels published photos of the new equipment, reporting that the first vehicles had appeared in the combat area. On the sides of the turret of the new vehicles, the system was mounted with launchers for counter-munitions and radar equipment that actively detects high-speed objects and sends a signal to intercept them. When a threat is detected, the system calculates its speed and direction of flight, then calculates the interception point and sends a signal to launch the interceptor, which explodes in midair and hits the target with a directed stream of debris. Arena M firing tests on tanks of this model were conducted in 2021, as evidenced by Russian television footage from the training facility. In them, the modernized T-72B3 successfully intercepted and destroyed a shaped charge from an RPG-7 anti-tank grenade launcher. Despite the launcher's rigid fixation, the countermeasures can cover almost the entire sector of fire around the vehicle by turning in the direction of the threat. This is achieved by the operation of impulse engines, the signs of which can be seen in the test footage. However, even with the rotation, countermeasures have a significant blind spot in the upper hemisphere, which is often hit by barrage munitions and third-generation anti-tank missiles such as Javelin. Arena M was originally designed as a defense against anti-tank missiles and was not intended to counter drones. In early 2024, Valery Kashin, general designer of the Russian Design Bureau of Instrumentation, said that his department was working on adapting Arena M to intercept attack drones. Still, it is unknown whether this has been implemented in metal. The active defense system designed to protect against anti-tank weapons has been submitted for qualification tests. At the same time, we are improving the system to protect against barrage drones, he said. This should affect the operation of the radar system and the onboard computer, whose sensitivity and selection system should be adapted to detect and identify small objects. In addition, the issue of intercepting attack drones multicopters that can move non-linearly and actively maneuver in space will remain open.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.